In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Scrabble Go game app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you are experiencing any challenge with this game, then you can take quite a number of steps. In the first method, we're going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot or fix any issue. So if your app is slow or it keeps on crashing or it can't open, then let me show you how you can do it. First, go to settings, and from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps depending on your Android smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. Now for this, go ahead and scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see here, we have Scrabble Go. Alternatively, you can just search for your app here and you should be able to see it. Now, if you go ahead and tap on Scrabble Go here, you can see this is the app info page. We can now troubleshoot it from here. Alternatively, if you can't access this app, just go back to your apps and long press on it and you should be able to see app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to the same page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience whenever you use it. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to clear this, go ahead and tap on clear data down here and then choose clear cache and OK. So from here, restart your smartphone and then open your app and this should have solved your problem. However, should this not work, go back again to app info and this time around clear all data and log in afresh. However, if you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for update on Google Play Store or App Store and update your app. So one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you might be using an outdated version of Scrabble Go app. So I'll go ahead and search for any update and you can see it's here. So currently I don't have any update. So if you see an update option here, go ahead and download the latest version of this app to clear any bugs or any errors on your app. At this point now, go ahead and launch it to start playing. However, if you still experience any challenge, then use the last method, and that is to uninstall this app and then install it afresh. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your Scrabble Go game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.